Representatives of the Childcare Providers Association of Trinidad and Tobago are calling on government to provide assistance during the COVID-19 emergency period. The association, which represents daycare providers and a number of private preschools, says many of their members' businesses are on the verge or have already folded. Crystal Wilson has more in this report.
It's been 5 months since the COVID-19 pandemic has forced the closure of schools and daycare facilities across the country. With the closure of these facilities came harsh reality checks for many citizens, among them private childcare providers who, along with their employees, remain without the means to support themselves and their families. Now that the little ones who are usually left in their care remain at home with either parents or guardians, the Private Childcare Providers Association of Trinidad and Tobago is calling on government to assist in their time of need. President of the association, Nisha Hoyt, told TTT News she respects government's decisions and their intentions to keep the nation's children safe. But in the meantime, overheads remain and bills are left unpaid.
And some people have lost their businesses in terms of having to close down because their landlords cannot keep them there any longer without paying rent. Every day you look on social media, you see people selling out their furniture and equipment from their schools and their preschools and daycares.
The association's president said members would like the opportunity to access loans and other services so they can at least save their businesses and survive.
So I believe that there should have been some sort of grant or loan that would have been offered to us as a community so that we can be able to sustain ourselves. And again, if the government cannot afford to give us a grant, we should have the opportunity to at least get a loan that we would be able to pay back, just as in the SME loan after 2 years.
In the meantime, the association's treasurer, Lauren Busby, said parents remain worried these facilities will all be forced to close permanently, leaving them without an option if and when things change.
The concern is, are we going to be there at that time when they need us? Because a lot of us are uncertain and unsure we will be able to hold on to the facilities.
The childcare providers remain hopeful their situation is addressed sometime soon. Crystal Wilson, TTT News.